Happy New Year!
Thank you so much. That was our first contestant. Halika dito, Becky. Wow. So, sinong kasama mo today? Who's with you? Sino kasama mo?
Namin pati si Daddy.
Si Mommy and Daddy. Talagang kapag nasa SM Center ka talaga, SM Center Valenzuela in particular, family bonding talagang nangyayari. So, it's Mommy and Daddy. So, where are you studying? Saan ka nag-aaral?
Sa Arco po.
Sa Arco. Did I pronounce it right? Arco? Yes! And ilang taon ka na?
6 years.
6 years old, and as you can see, ang ganda talaga ng kanyang Chinese costume. So, this is our first contestant. Your name is again?
Alde.
Ano ang pangalan mo, baby?
Alde.
Alde? Thank you, Alde. That was our first contestant.